Jamie's doing his Lord Fauntleroy impression on holiday yet again.
Oh, it's been a very eventful morning so far. I've had 4 coffees, 3 freshly squeezed orange juices, 2 omelettes, big bowl of scrambled eggs, bowl of fruit, 2 bread, load of salami, cheeses. Yeah.
Good morning YouTube. Start of another week. Just sort of try it with my phone in front of me like I see a lot of other YouTubers doing. Hopefully I'm in shot there. Just had to pull over and set it up. Yeah, Justin's still on holiday. I picked him up actually early hours of Sunday morning. I think his flight was delayed by about 40 minutes, so it was about 4 o'clock in the morning when I picked him up. He's still having a couple of days off, adjusted with his holiday blues. So he's back Wednesday. And then Jamie's gone on holiday this weekend. It's his 40th, I believe. So I might have to move this because it's not in the best spot there. It needs to be there. I've just sussed out where it needs to be. I'll do that in a minute. So yeah, he's 40 this week, so he's gone away again. He was putting videos on over the weekend. He's blagged him that he's on his honeymoon or something, so he's been upgraded and free champagne and all that in the room.
Look at that, mate. Check in that fucking view. Look at that. Beautiful. Better than that classroom you're in.
Out for now is Jamie. So yeah, that's that. So we're just loading up now. We're supposed to do a job over in Batley actually today. I've been trying to get in touch with client, ringing, emailing, he didn't get back to me. So over the weekend I made a decision. I'm doing another job that I got last week before. Spoke to him yesterday and he said, oh yeah, I just haven't quite cleared it all yet, so I'm hoping it's not too bad when we get there, but we'll just have to see on that one. We're just on his way there. This one's at Headingley now, so I should be there in about 10 minutes. Got Baggy's got his brother Andrew in, who used to work for us a few years ago, just to give him an hand for a couple of days to get this job done. And then strangely enough, the client that was supposed to do has emailed me back and said ring me when you're at site. So it's like, we should have done that over the weekend. But anyway, so I've rearranged him for Thursday because Baggy's on CSCS on Wednesday, I believe. I'll just pull over here actually, just get my phone adjusted, and I shall see you when we're at the job. Yeah, so anyway, we're just at site. I'm expecting loads of traffic, but everybody can't be back today. It wasn't bad at all. As you can see, I don't know if you remember this, I quoted it other week. So we're coming all the way along here, tight up to these. It's going up there. So I'll start in there now. I'll have a look at that bit in a minute, but I'll turn it around. There's a little bit of mesh there. We're just going to there so no one can get through. Just so it's privacy here, because he's got kids. He don't want kids falling down there. He's actually cleared all this, as you can see. It was like that. But there's a little bit, see. I think I told you. I was on my way here. We weren't expecting us this morning, so we were going to do this sort of this weekend, which is obviously started. Then next week, although he's cladded all that. And his dad, that looks nice. This, there's cladded all that. Looks nice, that, doesn't it? This is the worst bit here, which Baggy and Andrew just had a look. We've got to just clear this bit here. This is what it is. It's not too bad. They'll have to just spend an hour getting stuff down here and clearing that. But that's probably the worst bit. It'll look nice once it's up, I would have thought. Yeah, it's just all 2 metre V-mesh. I think there's 36 metres, so I'm just going to spend a while now getting it down there. Yeah, so I'm just on site now, just timed it well, Baggy there, look. He's just more or less finished. Just touching up now and bits and bats, cleaning up and stuff like that. Nice little job. I don't know how well you can see this from here, but with it being against the green background, it's not bad, is it? Andrew's just cleaning up, Baggy's spraying. Chain tracks there, you see. He's moved in here, just don't want his kids to be able to get through there. He's going to plant some stuff in front of here. That'll look nice. We're just tying that bit up to end there so nobody can get through for you, but could probably do with some more up there, but anyway. We've spared any bits and bats up. It's just gone round there nice for you. He's actually lifted one up here. Instead of it going down and back up, it's just come down nice and then nicely just goes up a little bit there. Oh, job well done. Hope you're pleased with that. There you go. All done and dusted. Another one. Good morning. Thursday already. Looking at where's this week going. Yeah, I've just been doing my admin with Trudy. She does a couple of hours in the morning for me now. So we've just been getting stuff together as databases, and there's all sorts that she's doing now. So welcome back on board, Jodie, by the way. So yeah, Justin's actually back in today. He's already made a start on getting rid of all the timber. Remember it all piled here. Carl's just phoned me, his young apprentice Jacob. Carl can't actually come in. He's got to have his young'un or something. I can't remember what he said now, but anyway, Justin's gone to get young lad Jacob. He's going to give him a hand in yard today. So that's Justin's task today, just literally get everything organised. It's been left to go rack and ruin, so we've been that busy lately. I want alt posts on shelves, alt spare panels that we keep coming back from jobs and dotting them about everywhere. Get all them sorted. He will, that's a sort of timber run to tip. We obviously have to pay to get rid of it, and then he'll take the scraps at scrapper. Baggy's on his CSCS test and course today, renewal. So good luck with that, Baggy. Let's hope you do well. Jamie's doing his Lord Fauderoy impression on holiday yet again.
Well, it's been a very eventful morning so far. I've had 4 coffees, 3 freshly squeezed orange juices, 2 omelettes, big bowl of scrambled eggs, bowl of fruit. Then I went all continental, 2 bread, load of salami, cheeses. Yeah, so I think this afternoon, this is where we frequent this afternoon, in the lobby. Donna likes to do a little bit of Sudoku. I've been reading a Shakespeare novel, and then on the afternoon I like to step down into the gallery. Yeah, what a lovely day. I hope you're all having a nice time.
He has more holidays than Angela Rippon. So yeah, I'm just about to set off actually. I've got a meeting with an housing association in Bradford. Hopefully they want us on the books to do all their maintenance and repairs, new fencing, whatever, for all their houses. So that could potentially be a good one. I'm going for the meeting at their offices in about 20 minutes actually. So I better get a move on. And then I'll come back. I've got a few bits and bats. Just got another 2 jobs in this morning. One's mainly for Carl with gates. I've got this van, and this van's a nightmare starting now. We got it back, spent 1,200 quid on DPF stuff, but it's got a problem starting, and Derek, who mends all his vans, actually said it's not an easy fix. That they fix all the DPF, it's compression on the engine, I don't know, cylinder heads or something, I don't know, beyond me is all that. So it might have to go back in, but I'm actually getting them wrapped next week after I think it is. It's never ending. But yeah, so like I say, Justin's he'll probably do a scrap run next, then he'll start moving all this and getting all spare panels on the rightful places, post mix back over there. That's for the job actually, some of them are for the job. I'll stop waffling, leave it at that for now, and I will catch you in a bit. Yeah, the lads are just loading up now. They're going over the job in Batley. They're doing some 1.2 roll tops, this stuff here. How many panels have you got on here, Baggy? How many have you?
8, I think.
8? You need more than that.
No, I've just went out, it's 16 metre.
No, it's 39 metres.
What?
There's 2 bits to it, it's 39 metres.
Right.
It's 21 and 17 or something it is. You want 13, probably 14, plus your posts, an extra post. But
Well, we've got 2 extra posts.
you'll need extra in the
That
more.
first bit.
I wonder if I looked at the 180 instead.
No, the 1.8's only 3 panels. It's 39 metres. I'd stick a load more posts on there, Baggy, because you've got them bits of hills, haven't you? And have you got some bolts and that?
Yeah, you've got them all.
No, I meant to fixed up wall and stuff. Drill. Good job I'm here, innit? I'm going with half the stuff that they need. So anyway, I will get off and just make sure they get loaded up with what they need, and I'll catch you later.
Right, today's job. So this bit here we're going to just be fading in, going down. So it's going to go a slight angle on this corner. It's going to be going all the way down. It's going to be green 1.2 roll top mesh, just to stop people from getting to this side and falling over or anything like that. And then we're literally just going to put an extra post in there, just tie it to there. Perfect, just so they can't climb on it. And then other side exactly the same. Obviously it's first day back today really on job, so missed my holiday already. And then same here. Let's come through there, cut that down, tie it onto there, fade it along, and it's literally just fading down into the wall. Be perfect. So another job complete. Well, not another job complete, today complete. Just got a gate to put down there and a couple of panels. Yeah, this is all 1.2 roll top, slightly going downhill, not that much that it needed half panels. Client's very happy with what we've done. Got all this section done, we just need an extra long post for the other side, and we should be good. And we'll go to the other side. So yeah, well, day's over. Baggy's just on phone to Mark, sorting some stuff out. But yeah, looking nice. Very, very nice building this, to be honest. Just been down to the leisure place, nice swimming baths, gym. So yeah, definitely recommend coming around here. This is in Batley, this. So yeah, going down a hill here. All very nice. So yeah, brilliant.
We're just still having problems starting this van in the morning. It's going to have to go back and get it sorted out. Bloody never ending. Are they all in now then, Baggy, yeah?
Yeah, just want to get in.
Right.
Just we needed a 2.4 post because it dropped too early, didn't it?
Right, yeah. That van's crap, innit? That bloody van.
Once it started, it's right.
I know, it's that first start in the morning, but when it got fixed for DPF, he said might have a problem with starting there, and it's the usual, not an easy fix. It'll be fine. No, it just got out then, no? It did have it started. Yeah, it started, but what it is, we'll put some stuff in fuel, clean it out, so usually once it's started it'll be fine then, all day. Not looking good that, did it? That's just after it started. It's starting bad in the morning, and now look at it. So yeah, we're just over at Nestfield, just looking at these gates that have been damaged. One at post is damaged there, so we're going to have to dig that out. Maybe a new post. It might have to straighten. I don't think the post is actually bent, you know. I think it's just come up, you can see it's come away there. So hopefully that might be okay. It needs new rams on and stuff, that's why that's here. The actual gate leaves over there, but the actual gate style's knackered, so we need a new one then. And then the paint to match this, which is a blue. I'll try and match it up. Hopefully the caretaker gets a real colour. So yeah, we'll just we'll get us measurements here, and then that should do us.
Right, so we're all done at other side. We're just doing this bit now. So what's going to be happening here is a 1.8 gate. It's 3 metre wide, and it's going to have a little infill at this side, bolted to the wall. Infill down here, and because of the drop, it's got some 2.4 post and 2.4 panel, and we'll just slide that in there just to take for the drop on the bottom. But yeah, it's all right there. Baggy's there, and then obviously all this is done, what I'll show you later when we get up there again. Another job complete. Friday's over. Let's get us to the pub. Oh, you'll have to bleep out of that language. But yeah, looking good. It's 2.4 just to take for the drop. Gates are 3 metre wide double leaf gates, all secure and locked in. And you got all this done. Client's just coming down now to have a look and sign the job off. Drop bolt in. Yeah, absolutely perfect. Just a quick video, job being done. I'm going to clean that post, don't you worry, right now. So we're going all the way around. Let me just jump over this. All the way around. So he's asked for it, all the way down. Got a video of the gate down at the bottom, looking nice. That's all twin mesh. This is all roll top, 1.2 high. And then just down the other side as well. We can't get in there now because it's all barricaded off. As you can see, looking nice.